The town's population has been growing linearly. In 2004, the population was 6,200, and by 2009, the population had grown to 8,100. Assume this trend continues. I need to predict the population and then identify the year in which the amount of people will be 15,000. So the first thing we need to do is talk about the input. And the input in this case is time. In time, we need to recognize is years since 2004. The output is going to be the population or the amount of people. So what we have here is we're going to make points so we can make a slope. I'm going to let 0 represent 2004. And in 2004, the population was 6,200. Well, in 2009, which means 5 years later, the population was 8,100. So now I'm going to find the slope. I'm going to put the y's on the top. So I have 6,200, 8,100, 0, and 5. So I have -5 on the bottom and -1,900 on the top. When I simplify that, that means every year I'm going to grow 380 people per year. So now we need an equation. People per time, or people per year, is going to be 380 plus the initial that we're starting with, which is 6,200. So this is my equation right here. Now I can take that equation and predict the population in 2013. So the equation again was P of T is 380T plus 6,200. So now I want to know, predict the population in 2013. So the first thing, how many years between 2004 and 2013? So if I take 2013 and subtract 2004, I have a total of 9 years. So my T in this case is going to equal 9. And the reason it's going to equal 9, because remember, we are starting at 2004 and not at 2000. So if I want to know the population 9 years from the starting point, I'm going to take 380 times 9 plus 6,200. When I do that, I get approximately 9,620 people in the year 2013. So last question, part B, if I have the equation again is 380T plus 6,200. Part B says identify the year the population will reach 1,500. So I want to know when will the population, be 15,000. So step 1, I'm going to subtract the 6,200. So 15,000 minus 6,200 is 8,800 equals 380T. Divide by 380, and T is approximately 23.14. Okay, so T is 23.14. Well, if it asks for what population or what year this will happen, this is going to happen after the start of 2014. So I'm going to take 2004, because that's my initial, and I'm going to add 23 to it. When I do that, I get approximately in 2027 is when I'm going to reach, somewhere in 2027, I'm going to reach 15,000 people.